The Substack app provides a user-friendly platform for creating, managing, and reading newsletters on mobile devices. Here's how to effectively use the Substack app. Download and install. Start by downloading the Substack app from the App Store or Google Play. Install it and open the app to get started. Sign in or create an account. If you're new to Substack, you can create an account directly in the app. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Explore newsletters. Use the app to discover and subscribe to newsletters that interest you. You can browse by categories or search for specific topics and authors. Create your newsletter. Tap on the New Post button to draft a newsletter. The editor allows you to write, format text, and insert images or links easily. Manage your subscriptions. Access your profile to manage subscriptions, update preferences, or adjust notification settings for newsletters you follow. Engage with content. Read newsletters directly within the app, leave comments, and share posts with others to foster discussion.